Hey, look at that.
No, look at that.
Oh, tita.
He's so pretty. Yeah, I think they must stack it.
Stomach. That's really cool. He has a necklace.
He does. They must track them.
Or he's just dressing up.
Oh, maybe.
Or she. I think it's a she.
I think so. It has horns.
So you say the she doesn't have one?
Have horns? No, most, not big horns.
I don't know.
Cool. We
He's
haven't
really
seen elk since the Grand Canyon.
No.
Oh, Yellowstone.
See that? So now it's an elk and a Sasquatch. That's a rude Sasquatch.
Yeah.
I love it anyway.
Yeah, thanks.
Varsågod.